Hello everyone, I'm Edlin and here's a language instructor. Today we will explore three important English prepositions: in, on, and at. Preposition sa yo itilize sitou le nou pale de kote ou soit tan. Premièrement, on pale de in. Nou itilize in le nou pale de yon bagay ki an dan yon espace large ki entoure nou, takou chambre ou soit building. Par exemple, the guests are in the lobby. Nou ka itilize in tou pou pale de mwa yo. Par exemple, the conference is in December. Pou ane, takou nan, the hotel opened in 2010. Epi tou pou sezon ou soit période tan ki long. Par exemple, we often hire seasonal staff in summer. Kounye ya, an gade on. Nou itilize on le yon bagay ap manyen ou soit sou tèt yon lot bagay. Par exemple, the plates are on the table. Preposition sa itilize tou pou joue spesifik takou our restaurant is closed on Christmas Day. Epi pou dat takou they are celebrating their anniversary on October 12th. Finalement, an pale sou at. Nou itilize at pou cite kote spesifik, en general kote ki pipiti ou soit presi, tankou adres ou soit kote. Par exemple, I'll meet you at the reception desk. Nou itilize at tou pou le presi tankou the check-in starts at 3 p.m. Epi pou moment spesifik nan tan tankou the night shift begins at midnight. To see more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.